Hey guys, welcome to another short video. Well, not, I haven't made that much short videos. Just wanted to say that the source code, or the MFA, for how to make a platform in Clock Team Fusion is now out. You can get it here. You can find the link to it in the description of this video, and also in the description of every single how to make a platformer in Clock Team Fusion tutorial videos descriptions. I just wanted to say that I just made one minor change, which is where the game over screen, I made it last. I made it last a few seconds, and then it resets and goes back to the. Why is this a Minecraft video? Why is this considered a Minecraft video to YouTube? Wait, hold on. Also, why is it under the category of gaming? Did I put it under there? Okay. Category gaming. I'm gonna put it under. Back to the point that actually no, there isn't really a point. I just wanted to say, for all of those that want the source code, it's out now. I'll be put in the comments below, say any suggestions on what tutorials you want me to make, or what gameplay videos, or really any type of videos you want to see from me. So yeah, I'll see you later, and bye.